I'm going to try my invention here for log holder. There's a pipe across the bottom that's hooked with U-clamps to the frame. This has got a T at the bottom, and then this is a gate holder from Menards that came with a nut and a washer, and I had my brother weld it to the T here. I could turn that around one more time, I see. There. I got to sharpen the point on it. Right now it's a theoretical thing. Well, the T down below threads grab into the pipe, and then this tightens it up. So it's a 3-foot piece of, suppose that's 3/4 pipe, inch T, another piece of whatever, inch pipe maybe, and then a T, and then that gate unit with some welding. Looks pretty good. I took one of the holes in the frame, tightened a U-clamp and to hold the pipe in place. There's a T, a chunk of pipe, and a T welded washer and bolt with a gate thing. It's really pretty good. I like it. And it's really quite inexpensive. Probably 10, 15 bucks, I don't know. I had some of the pipe already. So, instead of trying to find another one of these like this, see, I got to sharpen my point on the other one, then it'll be a little better. And I don't think I can drop it inside there if I'm not using it. I can flip it to the other direction. It's just I added the extension to the sawmill, and now it's almost 16 feet, and I had to have another log holder to it. And I was trying to figure out the cheapest, simplest thing I could do. With this one, the only thing I had to do was have it welded, and luckily I got a brother who is a good welder, so that should make me be able to do my 12, 15 foot, 16 foot, almost 16 foot logs. I got to sharpen the point on that end of it, but even this way it works pretty good.